All right. Hello, seventh graders. Mr. Brosco here. Long time no see, you guys. I certainly have missed you guys over the last couple weeks. It's been a pretty crazy couple weeks, but glad to be moving past this and gonna get back on Monday. So I'm excited to see you guys. I've missed you all. I was bummed I couldn't be here for the Catholic Schools Week activities. It sure looked like it was a awesome week, but alas. It is what it is. We were fortunate to have pretty mild cases in our house, so everybody's doing fine. Thank you guys for your prayers and everything like that. So, but I'm excited to be back on Monday. So, but before Monday, we have today and we have tomorrow. So I want to just talk through a little bit about what we're going to be doing over the next 2 days. So first of all, tomorrow is Friday, February 4th, which means it's First Friday Confessions. But since I am not going to be here and we do not have a substitute for tomorrow, I have asked the other religion and theology teachers to volunteer to bring you guys over to the church for confessions and then bring you back after they are done. So if you could please just pay attention, because I do not want you to report to my room tomorrow for First Friday Confessions. Go ahead and report to these teachers' rooms. So if you are in third period, go ahead and go to Mrs. Missy's room. It's actually Mr. Shovelin's room right now, room 258. Yeah, she's still on her maternity leave, but so Mr. Shovelin is a long-term sub. So third hour, go to room 258. If you are in fourth hour, please go to Mr. Peterson's room, room 356. That's right here on the third floor, right next to Mr. Flood's office. So fourth hour, go to Mr. Peterson's room. Seventh hour, please go to Mr. Dureski's room. I think some of you have him for class, right? So, but that's room 362, which is right by the upper school library. So again, do not come to my room tomorrow. Go to these classrooms, okay? All right, next order of business. I want to, first of all, apologize to you guys for all the work you guys have had to do over the last couple of weeks. Just so you know, it was not busy work. These were all things that we would have normally done anyway. It was maybe a little bit more condensed than I would have liked. But thank you guys for bearing with us and trying to get these assignments done. So real quick, this is what we've done, and this is what I'll be checking on Monday when I return. So if you did not get these done, like if you were gone or absent over the last 2 weeks, please write these assignments down, the ones that you didn't do, and the expectation would be that you are able to get them done by Monday. So Spirit of Truth, page 205 to 208. Spirit of Truth, page 209 to 211. 212 to 213. 215 to 218. 219 to 223. And in fact, if you do need to pause the video to have students write those down or double check that, go ahead and do that at this time. And then we'll talk afterward about what we're going to be doing for today. So if you need to pause the video to write down these assignments, do that now. All right, so for today, as you may or may not know, today is the feast day of St. Blaise. So we are going to be doing, we're going to be reading an article about St. Blaise, and we're also going to be reading an article on vocations, because today you also, during flex time today, you went to the auditorium to hear some vocation stories from Father Joe and from, I believe, Sister Teresa. So anyway, we're going to read about vocations and how to discern that, and how to listen to God's voice, especially as we grow older. Also, sometime today during class, there will be the St. Blaise throat blessing. So those of you who've gone to St. Agnes, you're familiar with what that looks like with the candles, and the priest coming in to do the throat blessing. So I may or may not get interrupted at this time, but that's okay. So hopefully the sub can help you get through that. All right. My plan for today is to have no additional homework. That being said, if to the substitute, if you feel like students are not doing the discussion questions, not reading the article, you do have the discretion to go ahead and assign those discussion questions for homework, but let's hope it doesn't come to that. So I'm going to, in a few minutes, after the PowerPoint is done, I'm going to ask the sub to split you guys up into groups, and you'll have to read 2 articles. One is the life of St. Blaise. The other one is an article on vocations. And then once you guys do that in your groups, go ahead and answer the discussion questions. You should write them down just to have something to say, and then hopefully at the end, you guys can have some time to talk through that as a large group. Okay, so that's kind of the plan for today. Before we get to that, though, I did have some Catholic artistic pieces that I wanted to share with you. Now, it would probably qualify as modern art, so take that as you will. But anyway, there's probably about 12 to 14 pieces I want you to look at, and really, as we look at these pieces of art, I really just want you to take them in and to reflect on them and just to really think, how is the Lord speaking to me through this art today? So really, let's focus and quiet our minds, quiet our hearts, and here's the first art piece I want you to look at. Matthew 11, in case you're wondering, is where Jesus says, "My yoke is easy," just so you know. All right, here's the second art piece. And the third. Yes, that would be the golden calf and Moses' brother Aaron. Okay. The fourth art piece that it might be my personal favorite. All right. Number 5. Get it? Parabolas, not parables. Get it? Are there any math people in here? Okay. The next artistic piece, I'd like you to really just take it in. That would be this one. I mean, technically true, right? Technically true. All right, the next one. No, that's not a picture of me. I know that somebody thought that. They're like, oh, what if that's Mr. Bosco? Pope Benedict, Pope Francis, just to be clear. This one might actually be my favorite. Instead of to the Batcave, it is to the Conclave. Thank you, Cardinal Dolan. It's a pretty epic cape. Okay, next one. We'll give him gold and frankincense. But wait, there's myrrh. A chuckle? Anybody? No? Okay. Awkward silence? Even better. Okay. Don't worry, there's only a couple more. I know some of you are just rolling your eyes. My guardian angel, when I didn't do something stupid. Yes. This next one is Saint Anthony, the patron saint of lost things, going, seriously? You lost them again? Behold the 10 suggestions, things Jesus never said. And last, but certainly not least, drum roll, please. No, I'm just kidding. I can't hear it anyway. Jesus breakdancing to impress his friends, AD 20. All right, I hope that art was inspiring on this feast of St. Blaise. And I'm excited to see you guys on Monday. God bless you all. Miss you all. And hopefully see you guys soon. Bye.